Have you ever noticed that when you're going to stage for giving a speech, you feel nervous? You feel that your hands are shaking, you are not confident. So, in today's video, I will give you 5 tips for it. First of all, you will need to understand that getting nervous is normal. Even the best speakers also feel nervous at times. But trick is to use the energy in speaking and in representing you, not in fighting with nervousness. Second, when you usually get nervous when you are not ready to speak. So you need to practice and prepare. Tell your family members, friends that I want to practice my speech. Come, listen to me, rate me, and as per your ratings, you can improve. And you can also use a mirror technique. You tell in front of mirror, and you will see your hand, eye, and everything. And you can also record yourself and afterwards see your gestures, everything. Third, breathe deeply. When you get nervous or when you are going to stage, your heart races and your breath gets faster. So, take a deep breath before going to stage. And you have to remember that you have to inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. It relaxes your minds and help you stay calm. Fourth is focus on the message, not on yourself. Many speakers, I have seen them, they focus on themselves. How am I looking? Am I speaking good or not? You don't have to focus on that. People don't need you, people need your message. So don't focus on yourself, focus on your message. Shift your focus from me to my message. Fifth, start with a smile. It makes you feel more confident and it makes your audience more comfortable too. And once you start, your nervousness will fade away because after some time, your mind knows that your audience is learning what you are telling. So your mind forgets all those nervousness and gets happy that I am giving a good speech. So nervousness is gone and you are happy also. So next time you go to stage, before speaking, remember my 4 keys: breathe, practice, smile, and then take the first step to start your speech. As I told you, after some times, your nervousness will fade away. So, confidence doesn't means that you will never get scared. Many people, even the professionals, the greatest speaker also get scared, but they use techniques to overcome that. And I have shared 4 techniques in this video. Thank you.